This is part 2 of my series on creating an affiliate site with AI tools. If you managed to watch the video released yesterday, part 1, you'll see that I created two completely new posts. So what I've done since then, I added some featured images I made in Canva, very simple images. And I also started a new post. It will be a buyer's guide on best whole fruit juicer. And I also had a little play with some product tables. So I wanted to add a product table in there that I can do with free plugins. I've got access to AAWP plugin, which is a premium plugin, but you can't put that on your site and sell your site. So I thought I'd rather do everything as cheap as possible because we're already spending money on AI tools, and I'll try and use as many free plugins as possible. So this plugin is one second. I think it's called Ninja Tables. Yeah, it's called Ninja Tables. I also had to play around with TablePress. With TablePress, you need to add a lot of CSS and a lot of customizations. I thought it's straightforward to use Ninja Tables. There was was another one I tried. WP Table Builder. This one looks good, but I went to the Facebook group, so I was actually a member of that before, and there were a lot of complaints about slow updates and large plugin sizes and slow tables and so on. So I thought I'll stick with Ninja Tables because it seems to be pretty good. It's got a lot more users and got good reviews. So let me show you the new post. So I created a new post called Best Whole Fruit Juicer. Short intro. I need to add some more text here. I'm going to use Jarvis for that. And then I wanted to add a small table in here, so be our picks for best whole fruit juice, and I put the best 3 or 5 products. And this whole bit of text here, this review, I did in Article Forge completely. I don't think I've edited it at all. I just put it straight into WordPress. And the reason is all of the facts and figures were 100% correct. Everything was as it is on the Amazon listing, obviously rewritten to make it all unique. And that is why Article Forge is now my favorite AI writing tool, because I don't even need to write reviews anymore. So if I'm just doing like these low value or these small affiliate sites, I can save time by getting Article Forge to write the review for me. I think I set this one to 500 words. Yeah, this was about 500 words. Then I added two columns at the bottom, 70-30 split. I added a few pros, 1 con. I looked at the reviews and just see what people are saying. Added the picture HTML from Amazon with SiteStripe, and also added a button and put the Amazon link in there. But this is going to be like a buyer's guide, so I thought a lot of content will be good. So I might do another 500 words for the other few products. So what I'll do, I'll grab another product now. So this was my Article Forge article. Let me pull it up. So all I did was put a review of the product name. I thought, let's see if it can actually find the product and give me the correct information, and it did. So that was incredible. So let me create a new article and let me pick another product. Okay, so whole fruit juice. Let's choose that one I did, yeah. Okay, it doesn't say. Excuse me. 3-inch large feed. Okay, so this is another one. 47 reviews, 4.5 stars. This is the one I've done. Okay, I'll do this one here. Free shipping from Amazon. Okay. It's 104 ratings, $110. So I made a quick spreadsheet to keep track of all the links. so I know so I can quickly copy it from the spreadsheet. This will be product 2, and it's called, it was this one, slow masticating juice. What's the name of it? I think that'll be a problem for Article Forge. I can try and put in the whole title as it is and see what Article Forge can present. Review of that. 500 words, add titles, create article, and use my main keyword. Okay. Let me delete this. Let's try it again, see if it works. Let's try again. Okay, it's working now, okay. So I'll leave that to work. Oh, okay, I think I did it twice. Okay, I didn't see it was running before. I'll cancel this one. That's the beauty of having the unlimited plan. I can do as many as I want. Next time I might use the bulk generator. So while that's processing, I'll show you the table. So before I put it in here, I'll wait for the article to come out. So this is my sample table. So I put in the table, I did the Amazon linked image, the product title, I picked 3 main features, and a check price text link. So this will probably be 3 or 5 products here. And to add the table, you just put in the shortcode and the table ID. So let me show you the table itself. Okay, it's the table. You see there's the table ID. Now this is a free version. The pro version does have some other features, but I think I'm fine with free. So I've put in 2. Actually, this one I didn't. I might have to. Oh, in the free version, I can't drag and drop the entries, so I need to make sure I get it right first time, or just copy and paste it manually. But it's just a demo anyway. That's the Article Forge, almost done. Okay, so you click on Add Data. For the initial setup, for image I use HTML. For title I just put I think it was a sentence option. For feature I use HTML, and for link I use HTML because you get the WYSIWYG editor and it's easier to format the text as you want. And let me show you, let me add a new table. Tables, table, demo table. Okay, add columns. So I had image, and here data type I set it to HTML field because we're bringing in the image from Amazon. Okay, add column. This will pro. Next was the title. Oops, not add data. Sorry. Add column was title. The product title. I chose single line text field. I could use the HTML text option and make it bold, but for now I'll leave it like that. Add column. Then it was features. For that I chose HTML. And for the last one I did try the button option for the link, so it's link. Got an option here for button link, but it doesn't look that good, so I just chose HTML again. column. So now you'll see you've got the image field. Just put in the click on text and put in the HTML code from Amazon. Then go back to visual title. Just copy and paste title features. I just put an ordered list in there. So it's this bulleted list. Excuse me. And for link, I just put the text check price. I made it bold and I hyperlinked it. And a good feature is that you can continue adding. So if you put it all in the spreadsheet first, and then go into here, it'll be a lot quicker. Maybe I should have added another field for features. Yeah, I may go and do that. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so table 1. I'm going to call it best whole fruit juicer. Okay, update. Almost done. Excuse me. Let me delete this one. You also can't sort it manually. It's a pro feature. How much is pro? Let's see. Oh no, not here. Go back. Let me just click on that there. So pro is $99 annually for 20 sites. How much is lifetime? So $399 lifetime for 20 sites. Okay, it's not too bad. Drag and drop sorting and so on. Okay, for now it doesn't matter. I don't need to. Okay, so ideally you want to add it in reverse order. Then you want to add your 5th one and then your 4th and so on. So what I'll do, I'll make this table and I'll come back to this. Okay, I just added the another column for features, just to save a bit of time. Let's go back to the article. It's finished. So let's see. Okay, let's see if it found the right one. Software for fruits, home fruit, 6.2 big feet tube. I think that's probably the wrong one. Let's see. Yeah, it was a bit harder to find that product. Unless they took some dimensions, maybe. I don't know. I think that product, because it hasn't got a name, it's harder to find it. So let's forget that one. Excuse me. New article. So I want to look for a. So that will be second place. I'm looking for a brand name in there. So Shard or Centrifugal, that one maybe. Bagot. And one more. This one here, have they got whole fruit? Yeah, 3.15, yeah. I might do this one as second. Okay, second. Third, fourth, and fifth. And all 68 ratings. 4-star. I don't know that. Okay. So this one will be 5th place. Go through the process of, actually let me make the article first. So I want a review of this. So exactly what I did before. New article, review of this. And that been sub keywords, 500 words, add title, can create a new article, and there it goes. So I'll give that a little while. But the ones with brand names in there should be easier to find. So there's Shardor, Vitaliski, and Joyong. So then what you do is, because I'm doing off with this article, I'd put in the title here for the number 2 product, which is Joyong Juicer Machines. Then put in the image, Amazon URL. It's not 100% necessary, but it just helps when you're making the product box below, and also when you're doing the table, so you don't have to keep going backwards and forwards. Okay. Let me close this one, don't need this one. And if you remember from yesterday's video, there was a, let me just open a post. There was a white box around the bottom there. It's something to do with comments. And because I'm not using comments, the box is just left there. So I've been told that in the next version of Popcorn theme, it will be removed completely. It will be optional. But for now, you go to Customize, and you put in this CSS code, and it removes the comments container. Okay. Okay. It's almost done. I'll put on pause and I'll come back to it. Okay, just finished. Took about 3-4 minutes, which was the longest I've had to wait. So let's see the results, see if it's completely authentic. So the Bagot centrifugal juicer. Okay. 30% more juice and 20% more vitamins. Excuse me. Okay, let's see if that's true. Okay, let's see. 30%. Oops, wrong one. Vitamins. Let me see the reviews. Let's go back to the article. Talking about 30% again. I think it must be talking in general about the 30%. Producing more than a gallon of juice per batch, 400 watt motor. Let's see if that's correct. Okay, 20% more juice. Is that what it said? 30% juice and 20% vitamins. Okay. Oh, where's the motor? Trying to speed read it. Oh, what is it? How many watts? I lost my. A 400 watt motor. Okay, let's see motor. Okay, that's right, 400 watt motor. That's something correct. Safety lock, reverse function, DB001. Is that the model? Where did I get this model from? Let's see. Excuse me. Let's say anywhere. So let's look for 001. Okay, that's not true then. That's not a model. I know it's dual speed, I read that. 30-inch shoot. Ah. Okay, this one was not as good as the last one. Maybe that product's been around for longer and it's got more of a footprint online. I think 3.2 inch. This is dual speed. Okay, 65mm, yeah, about 3.2, yeah. Okay, did it mention the warranty? I'll show you that to 3.2. That's really a bit of capsule, I reckon. Let me take out these model references. Three or four stainless steel construction. Okay, I don't know what that is, but anyway, that's there. That should be disc. Okay, overall, a couple of modifications. It wasn't bad. So I'll copy that and I'll put it into the document, and then I'll touch it up a little bit. So all I'm doing is Control C, Control V. Maybe I should put in a little, is it a ruler? What's it called? I know it's not spacer. Separator. Just a small separator, okay. And it also says H3, H2. Oh no, it's H3 I think, yeah, H3. Because our pix is H2, that's H1. And I'll just delete this bit. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to duplicate this section here. Oops, on the whole column. So duplicate, and then I'll move it down to below the. Oops. Oh God. Undo that one and go back to this one. Down. Okay, that's the bottom. So let's grab the images. This is the bagot. First we get the large image, get the HTML, put it in the spreadsheet. I forgot to get the title. Which one is it? This one. I've got centrifugal juicer. Okay, I'll do that. So Control C, and then Control Shift V to remove formatting. And immediately product link, text link, full link, Control C, and Control V. Okay, features. So Bugatti. Okay, so 1500 RPM low speed, 15,000 RPM low speed, 2100 RPM high speed. So I'll put that in features. I forgot to do that. Control Shift V. Okay, 12 saw sharp blades. Control C, Control Shift V, and one more because I like 3. What should I put for the other one? Speed, tube. Okay, I'll do the tube. 3.2 inch, I think it was. Okay, 65mm feet shoot. Control Shift V. Oh, it's 2.5. It does say whole apple. I'll put that on there. 2.5, 2.6. I went up 2.6. 65mm, 2.6 inch. Okay. So back out. So now we want the HTML. So first we need the product image. And then we want the link. And then the pros and cons. Oh, no, sorry, no, it's the features I mean. Let's copy the features. Oh no, sorry, that's for the table. I'm getting confused now myself. Okay, pros and cons. 20% more juice. $400 watt motor. And let me just do this bit. I don't know why it's capitalized. Oh, we didn't change it, so it's not. It's a 2.6 inch shoot. Okay, so 3. I changed that, yeah, because that's 2.6. But compact design. Okay, compact footprint, same. Cons. Okay, let's look at the reviews. Loud, okay. Look, I'll leave it the same, can be loud. Okay, save draft. Let's do a quick preview. Okay, I've got my video disclaimer there. Product 1, product 2. looking good. It might be a bit too much text. I'll finish it and see how it looks. Might be a bit too much text. Already on 1,000. Okay, that's fine. So now we want another product. What I'll do, I'll finish this off and then I'll show you the end result in the next part, because we're already at almost half an hour. So that is the first bias guide, the best whole fruit juicer. So I'll create the featured image, I'll add the table, I'll add the text here, and I'll add all 5 products. See how that looks. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.